The first step for me is going to be to cut the base and the fence out of 3/4 inch plywood. I'm going to cut those at 11 inches and 4 inches. Next, I'm going to cut a groove in the base for my T-track to hold down the fence. I got the T-tracks in the grooves. It looks fantastic, but the problem is the screws I need to use to attach them are a little bit long, so I'm going to have to actually cut them off on the back side. Make sure you grind these a little bit below the surface so they don't scratch your table saw. Now I'm going to use a piece of 1/2 inch plywood to cut a guide for the miter slot. You want this to fit snug but not tight. That's exactly how it should slide. It's still a little bit tall. I want it to be just proud of the table. Now that is perfect. So what I did was I just glued it in the middle where it's actually supported by the miter slot on the table saw. And what I'll do now is square up the That's what we're going for. Now let's grab this piece that we cut out earlier and start working on the fence. I'm going to cut my fence just a little bit shorter than the base so it never goes over the edge. Now I'm going to cut some slots in the fence for the hold down knobs. Now I'm going to make a little stop piece for the end of the fence here. I'm going to go ahead and add some of these cool little hold down toggle clamps. I'll put a link to these in my description. I think I like it, but I want to add some sort of a handle right here. All right, we're all done. Let's test this thing. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out some of these other videos you might like.